Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, the unveil event of the Xiaomi Mi 6X will begin at 2 PM CST, local time. Fans who are eagerly waiting for the launch of the Mi 6X can visit Xiaomi's official website to watch the launch event of the Mi 6X. The web page for the launch event is already live with the placeholder, but the live stream will begin at the same time when the launch event kicks off. Xiaomi is expected to feature a 5.99-inch display that will offer an aspect ratio of 18:9 in Full HD plus 2160x1080 pixels. The Snapdragon 660 SoC with AIE will be powering the phone. The Xiaomi Mi 6X is expected to be available in multiple variants such as 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Its 2910 mAh battery is expected to support Quick Charge 3.0. The dual camera setup of the Mi 6X is expected to include a 12 megapixel primary sensor and a 20 megapixel secondary sensor. The front side of the phone will be featuring a AI-driven 20 megapixel selfie camera. Shown below are some of the portrait shots captured using the Mi 6X. It is expected to run on Android 8.1 Oreo and the latest edition of MIUI 9 Skin. Also, the handset will be pre-installed with Xiaomi AI Smart Assistant. When it comes to appearance, the leaked photos and hands-on video of the Mi 6X suggest that its design will be almost similar to the Mi 5X. However, the only major change arriving on the Mi 6X is the inclusion of 18:9 aspect ratio screen and vertical dual rear cameras. Also, the Mi 6X will be lacking a 3.5mm audio jack. It will be available in color choices like cherry pink, red flame, sand gold, glacier blue and black. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.